You, you, truth. There's many restoration. Deep revelations. Ain't got a big time for the BS. I just write rhymes on this. Praise my side, praise my side. Done everyone be regions. We talking bills on $100. You got your BS, your BS, one Bible scholar. You got how fight. Purple.
Millions of ways to be a human being, and many ways, but many paths to what you call God. That her path might be something else, and when she gets there, she might call it the light. But her loving and her kindness and her generosity brings her. If it brings her to the same point that it brings you, it doesn't matter whether she called it God along the way or not.
And I guess the danger that could be in that, I mean, it sounds great on the onset, but if you really look at both sides.